Thousands of years ago, humans stumbled upon a discovery that stabilized entire civilizations. The discovery was education. Since then, education has evolved from papyrus scrolls to slates to iPads, and from gurukuls to classrooms to digital classrooms. But while education has helped humans evolve, humans have done little to evolve education itself. Until now, introducing Illumnus, the future of education. It is a one-stop platform for all your educational institutions and all their operations, designed to unite students, teachers, administrators, and parents onto a single platform. Illumnus helps you share content, send direct messages, track your institute's performance, auto-create assignments, access the content library. Illumnus makes your educational institution dynamic and future-ready with virtual learning. Now, students can learn even when they are not in the classroom. This enables you to expand globally without the need for a physical institution. Virtual learning is easy with features like live video, classroom, screen sharing, and direct messaging on one platform. Teachers can easily access the virtual classroom and conduct classes without a lengthy setup. For concepts that are tough to visualize, teachers can share videos and give online assignments. Students can form study groups, collaborate with each other across geographies, and submit assignments online. For school administrators, Illumnus helps manage students and teachers in a class. You can track engagement and get a bird's eye view of all activities. It helps simplify communication and enhance management. And for parents, Illumnus helps you get information about the activities at school. You can easily track your kids' performance and get a regular update on class assignments and events. Illumnus enables you to overcome the physical constraints of a classroom through enhanced collaboration and innovative solutions. Because whether you are at school or at home, we believe that learning should never stop, no matter what. Explore the future of education and become a part of it. Get a demo today.